Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can zoom to mouse position in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so what it basically means, if where you position your mouse you'll zoom right there. So what you have to do, click on Edit and then Preferences, and then here go to I think it's navigation, and then here to zoom, please enable zoom to mouse position. And now, okay, also make sure you save the informations. If you do not have this checked on, just click on save. And now you zoom where your mouse is positioned, which is pretty cool if you ask me. I think I like this more. It's more practical. So if this video helped you out, I'll really appreciate if you could subscribe. This will help a lot this channel, and like this video. Thank you for watching and take care.